In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal and send it to another wallet. Start by logging into your PayPal account to initiate the Bitcoin purchase process. Locate the crypto option either in the main menu or under the Finances tab. Select Bitcoin from the available cryptocurrencies option and specify the amount you wish to purchase, considering the exchange rate and associated fees. Review the transaction details, including the purchase amount, fees, and total cost, and proceed to checkout by clicking on the Buy button. Choose the payment source, such as your PayPal balance or linked bank account, and follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the purchase. And now, let's head to transferring Bitcoin to another wallet. Firstly, navigate to the crypto section within your PayPal account. Locate your Bitcoin holdings and select the option to send or transfer. Enter the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address accurately, and double-check the recipient address to ensure accuracy. Plus, review any associated fees and transaction limits. Proceed with the transfer process and confirm your decision. Keep an eye on the transfer status within your PayPal account. Allow up to 30 minutes for the transfer to complete, though it typically occurs much faster. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.